Hi, this is Learn Igbo on igboticnono, and in today's video we're going to be talking about, we're going to be learning Igbo words that starts with the letter B. That is knowing your phrases in Igbo language. Remember I said don't be tired of learning phrases, because when you learn phrases, when you learn words in the language, it will help you to make sentence. It will also help you to understand when somebody is making a conversation. You may not understand the whole thing the person is saying, but if you understand the wordings of what the person is saying, you can have an idea of what they are discussing. Okay, and we go. In Igbo, when you say bamba, 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 that is when you're shouting, shouting at someone, or when you're scolding someone. Bamba. Okay, another word here is banye, 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 banye. When you tell somebody enter, banye. Okay, enter. Okay, another word here is basa. Basa is like wide. Basaya, widen the clothes. Basa awa arm. Widen the clothes. Basa, that is wide. Okay, another one here is bata. Bata. Bata is coming. Okay, bata is coming. Okay, somebody knocks on your door and you say bata, it means the person should come in. But when you're going out, and let's say you open the door, you tell the person banye. You see the difference? Banye is when you're telling the person to like enter the car, or going into somewhere, or going into the house, or But when you tell somebody bata, it's like come in. It's a bit, it's not confusing, but you can also say bata, it means enter as well, but we just love to say it this way. It kind of makes sense for us. Do you understand? Banye is enter. Bata is like when you're telling somebody to come in or something. I don't know, but that is just it. But in any ways, you can use the both. Okay, let me not just complicate it for you guys. Now another one here is bear aqua. Bear aqua. Bear aqua is crying. Crying, someone that is crying. When you're crying, bear aqua. Okay, another one is bear. Bear. Bear is cut. When you're cutting fish, bear azo. Bear azo, that is cut fish. You can see the way I stretched it. Bear is cut. Okay, we have beke. Beke. Beke is a white person. Okay, beke is a white person. Okay, we also have another one. Berry. Berry. Berry is to cut things in pieces. Berry. Berry is like cutting something in pieces. Okay, for example here, you're cutting a fish, right? And I say berry, it means I want you to cut it, cut it, the way they share fish. Yeah, it means I want you to cut it more. Okay, just to cut it. Baby, you brought a fish from the fridge, right? And I say baby as well. It means I want you to pieces the fish. Just cut it the way we usually cut it to make food. Okay. We have b. B is live, to live, to live in this lovely world, to live, to be alive. B is live. Bia. Bia is come. Bia is come. Bia is come. Biagodi. Biagodi is, it's more, it's more kind. When you're using a kind word to somebody, you're not being rude. Biagodi, biagodi. But you cannot tell someone that is your elder to biagodi without adding this biko. But you can tell somebody that is your age or within your age limit, biagodi, with the way you say it, sounds very very respectful, biagodi. But you can't tell your mom biagodi or your auntie or someone who is very bigger than you biagodi. You have to add biko, biagodi. Do you understand? And of course, that brings me to the word biko. Biko is please. Biko is please. Okay, we have bido. Bido is start. Bido is start. First we have bia oma. Bie oma. Bie oma. Bie oma is to hug. You know when you want to hug someone. Bie oma. Bie oma. Bie oma is to hug. Okay? Bolombolo. 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 Bolombolo is the balloon. You know, the regular balloon used for birthday, for weddings and all. Bolombolo. Bolombolo is balloon. Ball. 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 Ball is the ball, the regular ball you play that the kids love to play, that they use in playing World Cup. Ball. Ball. You see how I stretched it? Okay? We have bossa. Bossa. Bossa is scatter. Bossa, scatter. Like when you know scatter is bossa, yeah. Bossa is scatter. Bossa is scatter. We also have biribiri is sweet. Beriberi. Beriberi is sweet. Beriberi. When you have sweet tongue, somebody says ile beriberi. Ile beriberi means sweet tongue. You love taking sweet things. Your tongue dictates something that is sweet. You know, that is beriberi. When something is sweet, you know all those sweet things. Beriberi, sweet. We also have boo. Boo. Boo is carry. Boo is carry. You cannot use to make sentence. Buruya is carry it. Buruya is carry it. Okay? This particular phrase goes further with bo is. Bo means is in Igbo. Bo means is. Bo means is. This goes back to what I said, that Igbo sometimes can have a high tone and low tone, and it definitely means different things. If you remember what I said about the last one, buruya, bu is to carry. Buruya, carry it. It's still the same spelling, right? But now I'm saying is. Bo, bu, bo, bu, bo, bu, bo. Do you see the way it's going? The other one went up, and this one is coming down. Okay? So that is just basically it. Every language has this dialect tone. That is the tone, okay? We have buribu. Buribu. Buribu is big. Someone that is big. Big. Something that is big is buribu. Busa. 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 Busa means drop it. Busa means drop it. We have battery. Battery means the regular battery that you know, okay? Bilie. Bilie means to stand up. When I stand up here now, bilie stand. Bilie stand. Bulie carry up. Bulie carry up. Bulie carry up. So guys, this brings me to the end of this video. These are the phrases or the word that you will definitely meet 100 days counting from the day you watched this video. We use it all the time. Okay, feel free to save this video in your watch later, go back to it and repeat it consistently. Today's video is just, I don't know, phrases that starts with alphabet B in Igbo language, and this is how I'm going to take it. A, B, C, D, A. That's this one I'm going to take it alphabetically from A to Z, because like I said entirely, if you're able to learn all these phrases I'm dropping, it will help you to make sentences in Igbo language. Oh yeah, of course, I forgot to tell you guys to subscribe, because I'm always carried away when I'm teaching these things and I forget to tell you guys to subscribe. Please Subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notification to be notified anytime I post a new video. You see a red button on the left, on the left side. Please click on it. Subscription is free. Join this family. Share this video to whoever that needs it, everybody that needs it. Even if you're not a YouTuber, please, I would appreciate you share this video as well, so that get to this whatever it is. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.